want.
Oh.
Look, a real-life unicorn.
Oh, please. That's Buttercup in a unicorn costume. Thanks for trying, but I'm just not in a happy place.
Where did you find this horse?
He was just dancing upstairs at the Gibbler house.
Fine, don't tell me.
Good afternoon, Farm and Fuller Pet Care. You've got the pet, we've got the vet. Please hold. Good afternoon, Farm and Fuller Pet Care. If your patient's furry, there's no need to worry. Please hold.
Hey, Jackson, you're missing all the fun.
Yeah, we got a cat with a nasty little rash. You gotta check it out.
Oh, I would, but I just put on a fresh pot of coffee. I got 3 people on hold and I'm updating your patient files. Interesting, Mrs. Behar. It would get you like a gluten-free snack. Yes, you would. Bye-bye now.
Hey, isn't Janet back yet?
You know, she's such a sweetie. I gave her the rest of the day off.
About checking with us?
Come on, Mom. She works really hard. Plus, it's her birthday. You sort of forgot.
Wait, what? She never said anything.
You have to talk to